Hi, we, the team Group 1, cyberubuntu, here presents the after all effect of this workshop. And actually, it is not just a presentation, it's a showcase of various knowledge we obtained from this workshop. And this, the team cyberubuntu. Why it is called as cyberubuntu? Because Ubuntu means itself you and me collaborate, but now the collaboration is mostly on the cyber media. We call this group as cyberubuntu. And regarding the tools we learned, as showcased in the slide, there are different presentation recorder tools we learn. Evernote for keeping notes, any disk to share, mobile to mobile screens or mobile to laptop screen or laptop to laptop screens. And Kaisala is a good application to chat as an academic orientation. Google Translate is the Google Slides, and Do Recorder. Do Recorder is a fantastic application to create videos, and Gboard to type using voice, and Photomath to calculate, Kahoot to do some quizzes and fun activities in the classroom, Office Lens again to scan documents, and Socrates to scan a word and to search in the internet. FX grew a fun application to create fun videos. And this is a camera scanner product. It is actually our notebook, and it is scanned with the help of camera scanner, and we create the image. And we learned different resources like Sakshat, ePathshala, CEC, Swayam, etc. And regarding the pedagogic part, we learn different online learning tools, blended learning and collaborative interactive learning tools, Moodle, MOOC, etc. And some suggestions like edX, Udacity, Coursera, etc. are also there in our class. And what are the value we obtained? Actually, our group members differ in their perception regarding the value. Some teachers are already engaged in a MOOC creation, some are not. And regarding their viewpoint, several differences are there in value addition. E-content development, steps involved in e-content development, conceptual clarity of MOOC and Moodle, technical know-how to develop e-content through presentation tube, slide talk, designing MOOC and through Moodle, force tools, presentation, Google and mobile apps, then Swayam, ePathshala, Shaksaks, virtual lab tools, etc. Then presentation tube, Moodle, how to share the knowledge in public domain, etc. are also an add-on to our value perception. Then what are the action plan? See the video. Yeah, what we learn from the workshop, it is immediately transferred to the classroom, and this is our embedded classroom. Yesterday itself it is presented in the class. In that way, we conduct each and every knowledge we obtained from this workshop into our classrooms. Similar workshops, similar demonstrations should be done for the student teachers. Actually, it's for teacher education, but for other teachers, like zoology teacher, she may use this to interact with the students, doing assignments, discussions through online platforms. And Google apps and mobile apps to teach and learning process, e-content development of MOOC through Moodle for faculty to be enriched in learning process through e-learning repositories, incorporation of video in PowerPoint, promote blended learning, learning resources as Swayam, ePathshala to students, etc. Then virtual labs for dissections, as she is a zoology teacher, and the simulations in physiological experiments and biological techniques. Students should be advised to take up online MOOC courses in applied aspects of their disciple interdisciplinary subject. Interactive and collaborative learning to be promoted through online test conduct, its evaluation, submission, evaluation, assignment, video presentation of student seminar. And that's all for now. Thank you very much for patient listening. Thank you.